Cabbage soup diet is the best option for quick weight loss. Today's video discusses cabbage soup for weight loss.
Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily.
Loaded with cabbage, carrots, bell pepper, tomatoes and plenty of seasoning, this healthy vegetable soup packed in lots of flavor and is ultra satisfying. This easy recipe make a big batch for lunches or veggie-packed snacks all week. If you want to bump up the satisfaction factor even more, top with a little cheese or avocado. Weight loss cabbage soup. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 1 medium onion chopped, 2 medium carrots chopped, 2 stalks celery chopped, 1 medium red bell pepper chopped, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1/2 teaspoon Italian seasoning, half teaspoon ground pepper, quarter teaspoon salt, 8 cups low sodium vegetable broth, 1 medium head green cabbage, halved and sliced, 1 large tomato chopped, and 2 teaspoons white wine vinegar. Directions: Step 1. Heat oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add onion, carrots and celery. Cook stirring until the vegetable begin to soften, 6 to 8 minutes. Add bell pepper, garlic, Italian seasoning, pepper and salt and cook, stirring for 2 minutes. Step 2. Add broth, cabbage and tomatoes. Increase the heat to medium-high and bring to a boil. Reduce it to maintain a simmer. Partially cover and cook until all the vegetables are tender. 15 to 20 minutes more. Remove from heat and stir in vinegar. Are you going to try this? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.